And we are now joined by Dr. Deirdre Delmas. It's so nice to have you with us here. We are going to get right to a very long question. We'd like to know about the uses of pathway analysis tools. How can novel uses of pathway analysis tools aid in integrating high dimensionality data for better identification of novel biomarkers?
Okay, so there are a lot of novel uses of, I would say, integrative pathway analysis tools that are out there by many different companies, but utilizing those in a very unique way we'll be able to pull together high dimensionality data such as omics data or metabolomics data or anything that is really generated in an integrated fashion to be able to better understand the mechanisms and what is involved in being a, say, soluble biomarker to be able to help predict safety in the future. So utilizing those tools will really, in a novel way, will really allow us to really look at the data in a unique way that really hasn't been done before.
How is your workshop going to help integrate high dimensionality data for better biomarker identifications and better identification and prediction of tox and efficacy in the biomarker space?
So across that, that space, looking at that high dimensionality data, there are a vast amount of data that's getting collected across non-clinical and clinical samples, in vitro samples, and being able to utilize that and look at it in a novel way, such as the various different consortia are doing, including the FDA, and generating artificial intelligence tools and other types of ways to pull that data together will really be able to allow us to be able to integrate data and really identify, really novel uses, or even understanding better ways to help predict and or evaluate that data and identify better biomarkers.
What do you hope attendees take away from your workshop?
So I hope they take away that there are novel ways and new ways that various different companies and consortia are being able to look at that data and hopefully utilizing the tools that are discussed within the workshop, and also looking to see where the industry is going, and hopefully the companies and everyone will be able to integrate that data in a really unique way in the future to be able to identify better biomarkers.
Dr. Deirdre Delmas, thank you so much for being here.
Oh yes, thank you. It was a pleasure, and thanks so much for allowing me to speak with you today.